Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before proceeding to our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Long-haul investigation recommends that Chilliz cost might actually flood to $137.44 by 2050, which is genuinely critical. The cost of 1 CHZ would really reach as kind of high as $PD4 and 64 by 2025 in a genuinely significant manner. Chilliz cost conjecture recommends a chance of CHZ exchanging between $0.84 to $0.31 in 2030 in a truly significant manner. There by and large is really potential for Chilliz cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as high as $106.96 toward 2040 in a for the most part significant manner's end. Constant information shows Chilliz explicitly is exchanging at $1.2593 incredibly. Starting around 01 walk 2024 Chilliz for the most part is exchanging at $1.2593 in term of its host rate with the value change of 29% in most recent 60 minutes, showing how constant information shows Chilliz really is exchanging at $1.593 in an extremely large manner. CHZ in a real sense has a really all-out market cap of $1,459.95,353 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $219.38 at 26. This makes Chilliz CHZ really positioning at 63 in the cryptographic money market, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. In the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what especially is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2024, what will Chilliz most certainly be worth in 2024? Is Chilliz in all things considered wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking? Will CHZ value sort of outperform its record-breaking high, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking? These essentially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ's future. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2024 as per the Chilliz conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the CHZ cost, for the most part, is supposed to, for the most part, cross an especially normal value level of dollars on 2045, the normal sort of least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the by and large current year ought to by and large be $19.90 in a by and large significant manner. Besides, CHZ can, all things considered, arrive at a, for the most part, greatest value level of dollars on $189, which sort of is genuinely huge. Chilliz value gauge February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Chilliz most certainly is supposed to by and large be at around an especially least of $1.2326, which especially is genuinely critical. Chilliz cost can arrive at an especially limit of $1.2492 with the very normal cost of $1.2450 in USD. Chilliz CHZ value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Chilliz cost is figured to in a real sense arrive at an essentially the most reduced cost of $439, or so they truly thought. The CHZ cost could arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $0.1E564 with the typical expected cost around $0.1E508, which essentially is very huge. Chilliz CHZ value figure April 2024. The Chilliz CHZ cost for April 2024 may generally arrive at a very least worth of $0.2500, while the especially greatest estimated cost explicitly is around $0.1625 in a kind of significant manner. The kind of typical cost for CHZ in every practical sense is in every practical sense anticipated to for the most part reach $0.2569 in April 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. Chilliz value figure May 2024. The really normal cost of Chilliz CHZ could go to $0.60 toward the finish of May 2024 in a genuinely huge manner. CHZ could be exchanging around and in every way that really matters greatest worth of $0.11687 with a fundamentally least expected cost of $0.1E5 at 76, which is genuinely huge. Chilliz value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the by and large most extreme cost for Chilliz could basically stretch around $0.11753, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in June 2024 truly is $1.1641 with a genuinely normal cost of $1.1697 in a genuinely large manner. Chiliz CHZ value expectation July 2024. The cost for Chiliz in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.1675 and $1.2820 in an unpretentious manner, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around $730, or so they generally thought. Chiliz CHZ value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Chiliz cost is gauged to truly arrive at an actually the least cost of $0.713 in a kind of large manner. The CHZ cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $1.1890 with a sort of typical expected cost around $782 in an all things considered large way. Chiliz CHZ value expectation September 2024. The cost for Chiliz in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $781 and $1061, showing how Chiliz CHZ value forecast July 2024. The cost for Chiliz in July 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.1675 and $0.2820, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.1836, so Chiliz CHZ value expectation September 2024. The cost for Chiliz in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $781 and $1061, showing how Chiliz CHZ value expectation July 2024. The cost for Chiliz in July 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.2675 and $0.2820 in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz CHZ value conjecture October 2024. For October 2024, the cost of Chiliz in a real sense is basically anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0.91, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.34 and a genuinely least of $0.1822, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Chiliz value gauge November 2024. The extremely normal cost of Chiliz CHZ could sort of go to $0.67 toward the finish of November 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge. CHZ could sort of exchange around a most extreme worth of $1.110 with the especially least expected cost of $0.1898, which sort of shows that there sort of is truly potential for Chiliz cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as commonly high as $106.96 toward the finish of 2040. Chiliz CHZ value expectation December 2024. The cost for Chiliz in December 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.90 and $1.89, which especially is very critical. While the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $2.45 or so they especially thought. Chiliz kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Chiliz's cost generally has shown a by and large great increment of 10.3% in the especially most recent